So friends, welcome to another video. In this video, this is the trailer brake control valve. Someone asked me, hey Musa, where do I get the wire that goes to this valve? Where are they located? So I decided to make this video and show him where you can locate all these wires that comes to this brake control. This one is for the trailer control valve for the Actros mp4. Friends, hope you will find this video helpful. All those 7 wires that goes to the brake valve, trailer control, brake control valve are located in this EBS4. This one is EBS4 for the Actros MP4 for Euro 6. Friends, this is a 5-socket pin, and those wires that goes to that brake control valve for the trailer are in this EBS socket number 3. This is the socket number 3 that has 7 pins. Friends, and this is a very short video just to reply that man that asked me where do I locate those wires. They are located in this socket here. Friends, I hope to bring more videos like this. Hope you will continue supporting my channel. Thank you, friends.